Have you ever wondered how Turkey became one of the world's leading manufacturers of weapon systems? The story starts in the year 1952, when Turkey joined the North Atlantic Treaty Alliance, more commonly known as NATO. This membership not only fortified the alliance's strategic foothold in the Middle East, but also marked the beginning of Turkey's journey in the defense industry. As the Cold War escalated, NATO allies sought to modernize their weapon systems. Turkey, seeing an opportunity, jumped on the bandwagon in the 1980s. But the country had a larger vision: to reduce its reliance on foreign manufacturers and create its own capabilities for weapons production. This ambition led to the birth of the Turkish defense industry, which started with licensed production of armored combat vehicles. In the years that followed, Turkey's defense industry broadened its scope, developing more complex vehicles and systems, including armored amphibious rigs, anti-tank vehicles, and medium-to-main battle tanks. Today, local private companies like FNSS, Otokar, BMC, and Neural Makina specialize in producing a wide range of armored platforms and weapon systems which are not only used by the Turkish National Security Forces, but also exported worldwide. This marked the beginning of Turkey's quest to become a global giant in the defense industry. But the journey was far from easy, and the country's success can be attributed to a number of strategic decisions and partnerships, which we will explore in the next scene. From the production of armored combat vehicles to the development of complex weapon systems, Turkey's defense industry has come a long way. In the past, the focus was on licensed production of armored combat vehicles. But today, Turkey has advanced to creating a wide range of complex systems, a remarkable feat that has been achieved through years of dedication, innovation, and a drive for self-sufficiency. Turkey has not only created a niche in the production of armored platforms like 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8, but also tracked infantry fighting vehicles, main battle tanks, and weapon systems. These are all manufactured by local private companies such as FNSS, Otokar, BMC, and Neural Makina. Notable among these products are the 8x8 PARs and 6x6 PARs. These armored platforms are a testament to Turkey's commitment to innovation and excellence in the defense industry. The 6x6 Arma, 4x4 Cobra, Ejder Yalçın, and Vuran are other impressive products that showcase Turkey's prowess in this field. But perhaps the most significant achievements are the Altay, MBT, and Kaplan medium tanks. These tanks are not just symbols of Turkey's military might, but are also a reflection of the country's capabilities in high-tech manufacturing and engineering. Turkey's defense industry has evolved significantly over the years, and these products are just a snapshot of the country's capabilities. The industry's growth has been meteoric, and the country has managed to carve out a niche for itself in the global defense market. This evolution has positioned Turkey as a key supplier of weapons systems worldwide. The country has emerged as a reliable partner for nations around the globe, providing them with top-notch military hardware that caters to their defense needs. This journey from producing simple armored combat vehicles to developing sophisticated weapon systems is a testament to Turkey's ambition, resilience, and technological prowess. A crucial element of Turkey's success in the defense industry is its effective use of public-private partnerships. This strategic approach has allowed the country to pool resources, share risks, and promote innovation in the realm of defense technologies. Let's take a bit of a journey back in time. The Presidency of Defense Industries, or SSB, was established in 1985. This government body was tasked with overseeing and coordinating the defense industry's activities. Just 2 years later, in 1987, the Turkish Armed Forces Foundation, or TAF, was born. The TAF, a merger of many similar foundations, now holds majority shares in several key private defense companies in Turkey. Among these companies we have Aselsan, a firm known for integrating and modernizing ground weapon systems and command control communication, computer intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance systems, often referred to as C4ISR. Then we have Roketsan, which is renowned for its technologies for propelled and guided ammunition, advanced missile systems, and ballistic solutions. Havelsan is another key player, providing software, training simulations, and system integration. Aspelsan and Izbir focus on power and energy systems, such as generators and batteries for land operations. And let's not forget Turkish Aerospace, which offers solutions for both aviation and space. On the state side, we have MKK, a weapon and ammunition manufacturer, and ASFAT, which includes military factories. Both are affiliated with the state but can carry out commercial activities. Then there's STM, established by SSB for design and production, which has become a critical player in the industry. And of course we can't overlook the private enterprises that have made a name in the firearms sector, such as Kale, Sarsilmaz, Canik Arms, and YDS. These partnerships have allowed for a dynamic exchange of ideas and resources. As Naki Polet, president of SSI, once said, "We manufacture products and services to meet the needs of the Turkish armed forces with the coordination of the Presidency of Defense Industries. The Turkish armed forces demand products and services that have superior capabilities, which require very challenging tests and trials." Through these partnerships, Turkey has been able to develop superior capabilities in weapon systems manufacturing. With a strong foundation and a clear vision, the future of Turkey's defense industry looks promising. Turkey's defense industry, currently flourishing, is a testament to the nation's unwavering commitment to technological advancement and self-sufficiency. This industry has evolved from a national security necessity into a global contender, producing an array of advanced systems, from armored vehicles to drones, that are sought after worldwide. Moreover, Turkey's defense industry is not resting on its laurels. It is constantly seeking to innovate, pushing its boundaries of technological prowess even further. The industry's continuous growth is fueled by the commitment to research and development, with a significant portion of its revenue being reinvested into these areas. This ensures that Turkey is not just keeping pace with the latest advancements in defense technology, but is also actively contributing to it. One of the most striking aspects of Turkey's defense industry is its adaptability. The industry has shown remarkable resilience in the face of changing global dynamics. It has successfully navigated the shifting sands of international politics and economic uncertainties, demonstrating a level of agility that is truly commendable. In addition, Turkey's defense industry has been making strides in the field of loitering munitions, or suicide drones. These single-use drones, designed to crash into their target and explode, are part of a new wave of warfare technology that is seeing increasing demand globally. Turkey, with its robust manufacturing capabilities and innovative spirit, is well positioned to become a leading player in this field. The industry also benefits from a supportive government and a thriving ecosystem of private companies. These entities work in synergy, fostering an environment where innovation flourishes. The public-private partnership model has proven to be a key ingredient in Turkey's success story, and it will undoubtedly continue to play a significant role in the industry's future growth. In conclusion, the future of Turkey's defense industry is bright. The industry is set to continue its upward trajectory, backed by a rich history of success, relentless pursuit of innovation, and a robust public-private partnership.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.